In this video, I'm going to show you how to import photos and or videos to your computer from your camera. Typically, your camera will be able to plug directly into your computer using a USB cord, or you might have to take out the SD card or the type of memory card that your camera uses and plug it into your computer using a card reader or directly into your computer depending on if it has the right inputs or not. When you plug in your memory card, it will pop up as an external drive to your computer documents. So you go in there, find the folder or the video or photos that you want, and put them in a new folder within your documents. So you can see here that I've opened up my camera folder and I can see image files, which are images, and then QuickTime files, MVI files, which is the naming structure of the QuickTime files that I shot with my Canon 7D. So say I just want to take a few of these files, I can select them, I can create a new folder on my desktop. I'll just do test video, and then I can just select the video clips that I want, drag them onto the folder on my desktop or wherever you put your folder, and you can use those videos to import into PowerDirector for editing later, which I'll show you how to do in a future lesson. The key takeaway is to stay organized. Make sure you know exactly where you're putting your videos so that you always have a reference and you can find them if you ever lose them when you're editing in PowerDirector. Thanks for watching this lesson. This was how you import video or photos from your camera.